My name is Philippe Guéna, and I am the owner of PMG Shipyard in Thailand. The story of Cora is a story of friendship. It's a story of friend bonded wishing to do something. A good and close friend of mine came to see me and said, "Listen, Philippe, I have a very, very dear friend, Mark from Yacht Sales. We have been talking, I talked to him about you, and we would like to do a boat which is not too big, but it's extremely well done on a yacht that a family can use, that a couple can use without having crew and everything like that. But it must be a nice boat." And we sat together, we started to put ideas, exchange that. Everybody brought a little bit, a piece of the thing. And Yacht Sales brought all their experience of the market, and they know what the client wants. And it's how Cora get birth. Today at Sanctuary Cove, the reason why I'm here, it's because it is the first time that Cora is on water in international world, and we have been handing over Cora hull number 1 to the client yesterday evening during a party organized by Yacht Sales.